Hi guys! Welcome back to my video. My name is Nicole and today my friends and my little brother are gonna play Minecraft Survival. We're gonna survive.
Yeah,
I
5
don't-
days.
He said 5 days. Okay, let's start.
Say
Go to-
going gonna collect food, you going gonna collect, I'm going gonna collect wood, you going gonna go
First, I gotta
mining.
We can do whatever we want.
Okay. Hurry. Grab so much wood, I'm going gonna build some house, okay?
Okay. We got some wood for some food.
I need either a farm. I need to grow some
Oh no, it's nighttime. Oh, nighttime? No, it's not. I'm just imagining
to
it.
collect some food. And we need to plant our garden.
We don't need a garden. We just need a house to survive.
I forgot a farm. We need seeds.
We're not gonna talk. You got a crafting book.
Give me some
Well,
give me some
good.
wood. Give me the wood. Give me the wood. Slide on me, okay? I got wood. Mining.
I'm just gonna be quiet here in the corner.
My wood stuck up there. Thank you. I need some food. Oh, this is a perfect house.
What the? Where?
You hear me? Come here.
Where are you? Yeah.
This be a perfect house.
In a hole? No way. Or maybe that's good. Yeah, I got some swords, so you can kill some. So we can get some. No, you can have it. Go kill. Go find some food. Well,
I'm going to build their house. Okay?
underground house.
Yep. That is even more safe.
Ah! Can't get it. Why can't I keep jumping? I hate these things. Don't get too far, okay? You might get lost. We should just make it out of planks. I don't like dirt. Here, here's some wood. Yeah. I'm just gonna place it here. Here, and here's an axe. I'm gonna go mine some stuff for us.
Thank you.
Oh, I need a wood. I need some wood.
Wait.
I need some wood. Can you give me some wood, please?
Here.
Give me some wood. I need to make a pickaxe. I can give it back to you.
Wait lang. Dali. Here. You need to
I need a pickaxe. Hey, I was crafting, you know. Good.
I put the wrong. We have two
It's so dark and we need a torch.
Find
Yes, I know. I'm trying to do that.
Seal.
Here. And I got some food. I need some food.
I give you the food.
Yes, I know.
We need more food. Bye.
I'm gonna go find a cave. And get rid of this dirt. I don't like it.
Okay.
No! Make a planks because planks. Look, get rid of this. Get rid of it and make it wood. I put it in the chest. Put it in the chest. I'm gonna go find a cave.
We need the shovel to dig bantas.
Meanwhile, I will go find a cave. I don't want to go far. I might get lost.
Maybe you don't know how to go home, right?
Can you build like a tower?
I found the cave.
Where? Can you?
home.
Ouch. Okay.
Home. Like that's in home.
Oh, I saw you. I saw you. Can you make a tower?
I'm gonna make it.
Fine, I'll make it. But first, I need to grab some. I need to grab some materials. I don't even see it. I'm so dumb. Ooh, it's spooky. Oh, wait.
Another one chicken. Another one chicken. Another one.
So we can upgrade.
Another one chicken. I don't get to see you.
Need some coal. There's no coal here. I can't see anything. Can I see now?
Outside. Oh no, it's
Still.
darking, May. Come on.
Okay, I'm scared of darks, you know. Just a sec. I don't want to.
Chase here.
Oh no.
Come here. There's an inhaler.
Just a second. Why did you make it a dirt? Ugh. Ooh.
Where is it? Hurry.
We need some wool.
I got wall.
We need we need 3 wolves and we need 3 people. We need 3 beds. I don't know.
Hurry, May. There's mobs
Where?
behind you. There's
No.
a creeper.
Where?
I was joking.
Don't joke. Making it more pretty. If I love birch. Oopsie. I sealed the door. Excuse me. I got that
Inside.
coal. Coming. I'm just making it pretty. There. Oh no, I saw a creeper. I think. Or a zombie, I don't know.
Yeah, don't come outside. Yeah. It's dangerous. Where are you, May?
I'm right behind you.
I'm glad to see you. Everything I heard. I was joking.
No! I got some. Halika! I'm gonna get out of there. Get out! Get up! Get up! I'm gonna do this! No!
Get out, get out.
Get out!
Get out.
Get out!
Ow. Ay.
Sorry.
Get out. I'm going to build a stair.
See, I told you.
I'm stuck. Shoulder is not too high.
What?
I'm stuck.
We need to get rid of this. Ah, I can see. Let's leave. Let's leave and then come back. Who's the server?
See.
Let's leave.
Hey, get out, get out.
Put title. And then creative survival. Then go there.
Man,
I'm not in yet. Wait. Ah!
get out, get out.
So which one? Oh, this one? Okay. I can see.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Why can't I mine it? Get out!
Ah, kill me.
Ah, I'm stuck! There.
1 HP or I'm dead.
Why can't I mine? Oopsie. It's not my fault! It's your fault, babe! Sorry!
Is that fine? This is not real. Give me my sword.
Wait! Where? Where are you? Ah! I'll kill you again. Here you go. Oh.
I got the axe and my sword.
That's ugly. Get rid of it. This is also ugly. Just joking.
Going gonna kill you.
Sorry.
Ay!
There. Oops, sorry. I Why are you walking? Look. Where? I don't have a sword. Look. Look, it's beautiful here. Up. See this? I'm standing on. We can make here something and crafting.
I'm making more space. Looking at cave.
Gonna make a tower. So we can get. So when we get lost, we can find a way. Ah, there's a skeleton. Who has a sword? Kill it. I don't have a sword yet.
So far away, I'm gonna get.
What are you doing?
Making more space.
Oh, okay.
I'm making more space. Hey, I'm making more space for beds. I'm so far away. Inside the water, Mama. Yeah, I know. Let's come back. I'm making more space. I'm collecting more wood and stuff. Stone. Make a furnace. There's a gun.
Oh, okay, bye. I guess we'll see her. Him. Can hit me, Scully. Can hit me. This one doesn't wood. No. That's why.
Wow, Alexa.
Looking out for the biscuits. What's this? Hi, Set. Look above you.
Hey, that's not an alpaca.
No, you got all the dirt. I don't have it. Here. Now I'm hungry.
That is where. What's the Ghana? Got the Ghana?
Okay. Can you go find some more food?
Let's see if it's hidden.
Got to. I think I'm. Yeah, I think I'm poisoned. Let's see what this is called. Hunger. No, great. I'm hungry now. Because of the raw chicken. Can you go get more?
Hey!
I think I just found a glitch. I get this. Oh. And eat it. See? I just found a glitch.
Yeah. I think careful.
Oh no. It's okay. I'll be right back.
Hey!
No, don't put it back. I'm trying to make something, okay? I need to go back here. Get some. This is my mom. Water. Thanks for something. Why does this keep happening? It glitch. And now we have 31 wood. Why does... It's because I'm still hungry. Not food again. I officially... Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. Is that high enough? Good thing because I'm hungry. Are you hungry? And we're the same. Oh no! No, don't fall off. I'm making a flag here. And we don't have wool. I said go find some food and wool while I build our house here. I'm about a building. And then just here. Risking it for the biscuit. I'm gonna die. It's okay. No, did I got my stuff? No, you can have it. I have an extra one. See. Perfect. Just gonna wait. Come inside. It's getting dark. Where are you? Come inside. So guys, we didn't survive that long, but it was still an awesome adventure. I'm sorry that I haven't posted for a long time, but hope you enjoyed our video and see you next time. Bye!